Guys, in this video I will be showing you how to wash your vegetables. Now you can use this method for any fruits or vegetables, but in this video I will be using romaine heart lettuce. Stick around and let me show you how it's done. The first thing you want to do is get a bowl of running water. Next, place your vegetable inside the water. Then add a good amount of salt. I usually don't measure my salt because I do this all the time, and I kind of already have a measurement in my head. But for learning purposes, you can add 3 tablespoons of salt. Also, you can use any salt you have, but in this video, I will be using iodized salt. As you can see, I am gently rinsing my vegetable in the salt water. And when doing this, you want to open up the layers of your vegetable so the salt water can get in there. Now, there are several methods on how to wash your vegetables. Why some people prefer to do this after cutting their vegetables, for me, I prefer to do this instead. You can do any method so long you are using salt to wash your vegetables. The secret to having a crunchy leafy green is to wash with cold water. This helps preserve the texture of your vegetable. So guys, just keep rinsing and let soak for 10 minutes. Now, when the vegetables are soaked in salt water, the bacteria and their cells inside the vegetable starts to die. Soaking the vegetable in salt water not only kills the bacteria, but also removes bugs, pesticides, and insecticides present in your vegetable. Fun fact, guys, about this method. Do you know soaking your vegetable in salt water helps bring out the flavor molecule in your vegetable? It makes it even more tasty. Wow. So guys, after 10 minutes, pour out the salt water as seen in the video. Rinse your bowl. Fill up your bowl with a clean water. Next, place your vegetable inside that water and gently rinse for about 3 to 5 minutes and let soak again for another 10 minutes. But this time, do not add salt. After 10 minutes, gently swish and rinse out any leftover dirt or salt water hiding inside the crevice of your vegetable. And lastly, using a clean pair of scissors, gently trim out any dead or dark area in your vegetable as seen in this video. So guys, your vegetable is clean and ready for eating. Let me know in the comment section if you tried this method. Please hit the like button, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for your support. See you in my next video.